And welcome back. Let's bowl off with cricket, shall we? Coming off a win in their last match, the West Indies will look to build on that momentum when they hunt their second win in Group B at the ICC Women's T20 World Cup on Thursday. They take on Bangladesh in their third game.
The West Indies women are still to find their feet at the ICC T20 World Cup in the UAE after an opening day defeat to South Africa followed by a 6-wicket win over Scotland. From the outside looking in, fitness seemed to be an issue for the Windies, as apart from injuries to Zayda James and Stefani Taylor in the opening game against South Africa, the team has been far from good in the field. Batting-wise, there has been contributions from different players at different times, but collectively the ladies are still searching for consistency. That will have to come on Thursday, as defeat for the Caribbean women would virtually end their hopes of advancing. Assistant coach Ryan Austin says the players are well aware of what is at stake.
The team is pretty prepared. We obviously know that Bangladesh is basically a spin-based unit, so we already know all these things. But with our philosophy is now we more focus on what we can control. But having said that, we still have that element of power with our batting that could counter the spin as well.
The Windies' task has been made harder following England's win over South Africa on Wednesday. This as the Caribbean women must not only win but win well.
I mean, our strategy is obviously based on, if you look at how our group is set up, net run rate is really going to come into a big factor later down. Especially if we win both games against Bangladesh and England. So one of the things that we really have to look at is obviously our net run rate and how we go about doing those things coming up, especially in the next game against Bangladesh. So we have to really strategize in the next couple of days to get off and running, but that would be our game plan to at least probably bat first. Bowl first and then try to hit the lick off the runs as fast as.
Both teams are on 2 points with 1 win and 1 defeat. Thursday's game will bowl off at 9 a.m. Jamaica time. Bernardo Brown for TVJ Sports.